Visiting the various parrot species at the Santa Ana Zoo was well worth videotaping. The white-bellied caiques, which also share their tropical aviary with sun conures, have little to no interest in all visitors passing by, giving viewers a wild feel while viewing or filming these birds. These parrots were also difficult not to be amused by, as they always seemed to be either involved in something or just anticipating it. Another beautiful parrot that shares its aviary, the sun conure, gave a beautiful look to the aviary. These parrots seemed a bit more timid, but equally, if not more elegant looking. They were also introduced later, and possibly still acclimating to a new surrounding. I admired the space and natural setting provided to these birds. I was also pleased to have brought my camera for this reason as well. Another interesting parrot exhibit is the green-cheeked Amazons, which were also housed and said to have been injured and unable to be released back into the wild. These parrots serve as educational exhibits to the many visitors unaware of these free-flying parrots of Southern California, and particularly of Orange County. And finally, there were also a couple of blue and gold macaws, which were also hatched at the zoo as well.